Okay, so last piece of the notes, I was going to go over some of the worksheet that I'm posting for today. So, we've got sector areas and radian measure. I think that you guys can probably find areas of circles. You were able to do that on the quiz, so I think you're up to it. Let's look here at converting degree measure into radians and radian measure into degrees. So that's the slide I just talked about. If I have 210 degrees, I know that I can multiply by pi over 180 because 1 degree is pi over 180 radians. So I have 210 times pi over 180 radians, and that equals 210 pi over 180 radians. And I could just leave it like that, but it's a fraction, so I should probably simplify. It's going to simplify to 21/18, and then, let's see, 21/18, if I divided by 3 on top and bottom, I think it would be 7/6. So that is 7 pi over 6 radians. And that's the answer to number 5. On number 6, we're going to take a measure in radians and turn it into degrees. So I'm going to multiply by 180 over pi because 1 radian is 180 over pi degrees. And that's going to make, let's see, the pi's will cancel. So I'll have 3 times 180 over 4. Let's see, half of 180 is 90, a fourth of 180 is 45, so I have 3 loops of 45. That's 90, 135, 135 degrees. Cool. So on 5 through 10, if you've got a degree, times by pi over 180 to get radians, and if you've got a radian, times by 180 over pi to get degrees.